All right. Now here's a very important point to note. DocumentDB ain't free. So if you're just tinkering with this or experimenting, make sure to turn it off. So go to DocumentDB. What you need to do is find your cluster, select Modify, and we are going to turn off deletion protection. We'll enable this immediately. Now what you do is you find the instances associated with your cluster, and just one by one, follow the instructions to knock them out. So that's the reader. This is the final reader. Say no snapshot. Now that whole thing's shutting down, we'll kill our Lambda function. Select it, actions, delete. And also our API. You have to go inside of it. Actions, delete API. Now we're back to square one.